I like to use this Laotian folktale. A brief introduction to the story before the story listening will initially interest the listeners in hearing a folktale from an unfamiliar country. Explaining where Laos is located also helps make the story more interesting. The story's message is nothing new to adults, so it is predictable and easy to follow. This story takes listeners through many emotions: sympathy, worry, relief, happiness, criticism, sadness, and helplessness. This emotional journey helps make the story more engaging and impactful. The story's central theme is the problems caused by greed and the importance of being thankful and careful with what you have. After Chief Hunter dies, his widow is sad because she is now very poor and cannot feed her children. But she becomes happy because the Golden Swan brings unexpected help. However, the widow loses everything when she becomes greedy and takes the swan's feathers as much as possible. The story shows how greed can lead to regret and loss. It conveys the values of humility and gratitude. As for vocabulary, listeners will notice that words like double and nurse, which they previously only knew as an adjective and a noun, are now used as verbs in this story. Words like dice, feather, widow, and greedy are also introduced and reviewed, as these words will appear in future stories. The word depressed is one of the academic words, and this word makes a strong impression in this story. This story is one of the stories I always start with in my story listening sessions. This story grabs students' attention and is easy to follow, making this story an excellent choice for engaging and leading to natural language acquisition.